Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I have my Walmart grocery haul. This haul was $87 and I think I did really well for how much stuff I got. So today I'm going to start on the right and work my way left. So I got a 5-pound bag of potatoes, which I needed. We go through quite a bit of potatoes, so I got another bag of those. I got a Polar brand seltzer for my mom when she comes. She likes seltzer, so this is the hibiscus cloudberry flavor. I thought it sounded good. And this is one of my OG drinks from back in the day, which I love. It's the Polar Diet Half and Half. It's pretty much like a grapefruit and lemon flavored diet soda. It's really good. I got some Great Value brand vanilla caramel coffee creamer. I still have about half a bottle of the Danish butter cookie one left, but I always like to get a backup when I have about half left in my current one. I got a 3-pound bag of mandarins. I've been loving these lately. I think they're in season because they are really good this time of year. So me, my husband, and my son all have been loving those. I am trying out the fully loaded white cheddar flavored popcorn Great Value brand. The lady who was stocking the chip area actually told me this was really comparable to like the Smart Pop white cheddar popcorn, and it was a whole lot cheaper. I believe it was $1.88, and this is a huge bag. And that Smart Pop white cheddar popcorn is one of my favorite all-time snacks, so I'm very excited to see if this is a good dupe for that. I'm also trying out the Great Value brand lightly salted white corn tortilla chips. Huge bag. It was 92 cents, so hopefully those are good. And I do like that they have less salt. I also got some of the Great Value Vermont Maple Premium Breakfast Sausage. And I also got some Purdue chicken wings, so I can do some chicken wings in the next couple weeks. And sausage we have for breakfast, whether it's on the weekend or breakfast for dinner. I got some Great Value sliced Swiss cheese. I really like the Great Value brand sliced cheeses. I get the pepper jack one, the cheddar one, and the Swiss one all the time, and it's about half the price of the Sargento one. I also got the Great Value string mozzarella cheese for Matt. It was also a lot cheaper than the name brand. This is a new flatbread flavor that I'm trying out. I have been looking for my buffalo chicken one. They have not had it in stock. The lady at the counter, like the deli area, said that as soon as they come in stock, people buy them all. So if you do see the buffalo chicken flatbread, try it out. That's the best one I've tried. This one is the spicy sizzler, so it says it has seasoned beef crumbles, blackened chicken, jalapeno peppers, and pepperoni on a thin crust, so hopefully this will be good. I also got some Great Value Southern hash browns because I'm going to do a breakfast scramble for dinner one night next week. And I will show you a good amount. I'll try to get as many clips as I can when I make this dinner on my next What's for Dinner video, because I know you guys like to always see new recipes that I mention. It's very easy. You pretty much just pan fry these up and add egg and cheese and meat and cook it all in a skillet together. It's really, really easy. I also got a big bottle of the Naked Strawberry Banana juice. I don't know, you call it like a smoothie kind of juice. I got a mango one a couple weeks back and I enjoyed it very much. The whole bottle's gone, so I decided to go with another flavor. My husband also likes this, and Grady seems to like them in small doses, so I got this because it's a good alternative for me to have kind of as like a mid-morning snack. It actually fills me up if I have a nice glass of it between like coffee time and lunchtime. I'm also trying the Great Value version of the Pop-Tarts. I buy normal Pop-Tarts every once in a while. I wouldn't say they're a regular item that I buy, but I do like the cherry Pop-Tarts, and I also like the brown sugar cinnamon. These were $1 for the frosted cherry, so I'm going to try those out. I think I got everything over here before I move on. I got a big box of Cheez-Its because I had a coupon, $1 off. I think this was $3.50, and then I had $1 off. It's the big box. I did get a bag of onions. I think this is a 3-pound bag of onions because we go through quite a bit of those, and I used up the rest of them in my last batch of marinara sauce. I did get some mini baby naan breads. There are 4 here, and I want to use these to make little baby, or not little baby, but like little miniature naan bread pizzas. So of course, once again, I'll show you clips of that when I do my next What's for Dinner video. And these were super cheap. I think it was like $1.70 something for 4 of them. I got some Thomas English muffins in the maple French toast flavor, which I think is going to be really good. Very excited for this. This is the Great Value brand Boom Boom Shrimp Sauce. And I actually have some shrimp that I need to use up, so that's going to go on the meal plan next week. And I want to do just like here with the tossing the shrimp in the sauce, and then I'll make some rice and a veggie on the side. So I'll let you guys know how this is as well. And it was also really cheap, being the Wal-Mart brand. I got a small thing of blueberries because I want to use these to make up some fruit cups for my food prep on Sunday. You guys will see that in a future food prep video. I got a cantaloupe to go along with the blueberries. I've always liked the combo of cantaloupe and blueberries, so I'm going to make some fruit cups up. I got some fresh basil to put on the naan pizza and also use in recipes. I was all out of applesauce, so I got some more of the Mott's cinnamon. My usual dozen of the Market Side Walmart brand cage-free brown eggs. Found a new beer for my husband to try. This is the Berry Shandy brand or flavor, so I think he's really gonna like that, so I grabbed it. I got some Great Value mozzarella cheese, again guys, to go along with the naan pizzas. This is something I rarely buy. If you've watched my hauls for a while, I don't buy a lot of white or Wonder Bread, but I have been craving peanut butter and fluff sandwiches in particular, and I don't know why, but I only like peanut butter and fluff on white bread, and it has to be like a really soft white bread. I don't know why that is. I just like peanut butter and fluff on this kind of bread. And I did pick up a thing of fluff from Aldi a couple weeks ago when I went to grab a few things. So I got the Wonder Bread specifically to make some peanut butter and fluff sandwiches. I know that's super random, but that's what I was craving. Danimal smoothies, I had a coupon for this. Normally I buy the Stonyfield ones, but I did have a good coupon in this. It was like $1 off, and these are like $2, so I got the 6-pack for I think they're like $2.24, but I had a $1 off coupon, so I got those for Grady. I got some Hidden Valley individual ranch dip cup things because I like to give these to Matt or for myself for carrots and celery, cucumbers and stuff like that to dip it in. I got some rosemary and olive oil Triscuits, some Annie's cheddar bunnies for my son, some Walmart brand cream soda for Matt, and the only thing not pictured in this haul, guys, is I got a case of the Great Value brand water, the bottled water, which is still in my garage. I have to bring it in before it freezes. I think I covered everything. Again, this was 80 something. I want to say like 85 or so dollars, between $85 and $90, which I thought was a really good price for everything. Again, I also got the case of water in the garage. So anyways, let me show you guys my meal plan for the upcoming week now. Alright guys, so meal plan for the upcoming week, which is the last week in January already. So we're already a month into the year, which is crazy. Okay, so one night I am going to use those ramen noodles that I showed you guys in last week's Walmart haul. So I'm going to try those out, and I'm going to do like a stir fry with veggies and beef. And then I get a lot of questions about my stir fry sauce. You can go right to the Asian section in your market and buy like bottled pre-made stir fry sauce. I just make my own and I vary it every time, but the main components I use are soy sauce, ginger, sesame oil, garlic. Sometimes I'll do like a squeeze of hoisin sauce, so I really vary it all the time. Sometimes I'll add a little honey. Anyways, so I'm going to do a noodle stir fry next week. I'm going to do the Boom Boom shrimp next week with rice and a veggie. I'm going to do that breakfast potato skillet dinner next week, which of course, like I mentioned, I'll show you in a upcoming what's for dinner video. I'm going to do that naan pizza bread with like a flatbread with soup or salad. I do have a turkey soup and a split pea soup still in my freezer to use up because I had multiples of each. So I'm going to go ahead and either thaw that or make a salad. So we'll do like pizza with soup or pizza with salad. For my no meat night, I'm going to do baked ziti with garlic bread and salad. I'm pretty sure I have a video on this, so I'll link it down below. I'm going to do the cilantro chicken lime rice bowls, which I definitely have a video on. I'll link that down below because I do have a couple chicken breasts that I need to use up. And then of course I have my freebie night, which is either leftovers, it's breakfast, although I probably won't do breakfast because I'm having breakfast one night. Also freebie night can be when my mom calls and says, come for dinner. Of course I'm going. So yeah, that's pretty much the synopsis for next week. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's meal plan. As always, guys, I always have a discount code for this meal planner. I am just using the very last pages in this. I've been using the last pages for a couple months now because I want to get my money's worth and use every last page. But yes, I do have a discount code for this. It's linked down below in the description box. They do make it in a mini version, which is the version I am going to purchase when I am done with the pages in this. Again, I'll link anything I mentioned that I have a video on in the description box down below. Have a great weekend, guys, and I will see you on Monday with a new video. Bye, guys.